hello friends. I'm Adrian Frank from Learn with Frank YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your supports and valuable comments. Today is the National Doctors Day. So happy Doctors Day to our real heroes. Doctors are special. Doctors Day is an opportunity to thank all the heroes in the medical fraternity for their selfless contributions. Doctors Day was established by the Government of India in 1991 to be recognized on July 1st every year in India. Doctors Day is observed on different dates across the world. In the United States, the day is observed on March 30, in Cuba on December 3rd, and in Iran on August 23. India celebrates National Doctors Day in honor of the birth and death anniversary of the great physician and the second Chief Minister of West Bengal, Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy. Since then, India has grown up by leaps and bounds in the medical field, not just to further Dr. B.C. Roy's work but new and innovative ideas. If we did not recognize the importance of doctors before, we are certainly learning how much they contribute to a society amid this pandemic situation. While we are self-isolating, it is the doctors who are constantly fighting for the lives of people who are infected on the rise every day and hospitals teeming with hundreds of people. It has never been more important to appreciate the effort is that doctors make to ensure that we sufficiently recover from whatever may be ailing us and continue to remain healthy. Doctors are truly the greatest heroes of not just the present but of all time. So on this special day, I want to introduce some doctors to explain how they are handling this situation in their department, what are the prevents and control recommendations.
On the occasion of going to the Doctor Day, we will discuss about how to prevent corona and how we are handling the corona situation in a day. Now there are almost 1 year is gone. We are facing the corona situations and we are keeping the corona away with the social distance and using a mask. Now the news are coming that many variants of the corona are coming. So I don't know how many days will go on to control the corona totally because the many variants are coming outside. So the main purpose of dealing is that like that because we have to use to with the living with the mask and all the rules which has to be required to keep the corona away and to prevent from the coronas. Now these all 1 day, 1 year, all the doctors and nurses has faced the corona situation. Many people died, many people were admitted in the hospital for the corona. They recovered from there also. We all don't know how many days are required to control the corona. So just I'm going to tell you how to prevent the corona. The first thing is that you should use the corona. You should use the mask to prevent the corona. To prevent that virus from away from you. But the thing is that if you will use the continuously the mask, it is not only sufficient to prevent from corona. You have to be with the social distance is also required. And along with that, you have you should wash your hands coming from outside, and after doing any work, you have to be careful about that.
Hello everybody, myself Dr. Ratnamala Dasmana from Sentence Hospital, Mumbai. I work here as a gynecologist and obstetrician. We want to discuss about the pregnant woman being taken care of in COVID times. But we are here to help you out, all pregnant women. We conduct a regular antenatal clinic to see their problems, and that is it. So I would like to stress on the very strict antenatal checkup for a woman should go for. Even if there is lockdown, they can come to us and we can help them out. They should take the proper medication from the early pregnancy. They should do their sonography regularly, like anti-scan and anomaly scan, which is very important for the future of this fetus or baby. So they should be very particular about it. And second thing is they should take vitamins, iron and calcium and injection tetanus toxoid as advised by their doctor. They should not omit that thing. It is always should be taken in time. And a special care should be given to the people, which is given by us, but they should come to us in a patient who is a case of high blood pressure or diabetes or any other associated abnormalities. Here the patient has to be extra careful and take the advice of doctor and follow it strictly. And there are people who have undergone cesarean in the last pregnancy, so they should also be extra careful to be with doctor in that time. Not that they come in emergency here, so that becomes a problem for patient also, doctor also in the night time. So they should be very particular about their checkup. And another thing is in some social things I will like to stress is that as far as possible people should not go out unnecessarily, and they should not eat outside food unnecessarily. Unnecessarily means that is not actually required. Even if they want to eat some spicy food, they can get it at home. And they should not mix up much with the neighborhood people and talk too much about their pregnancy and listen to them. They have to listen to the doctor, and that's it.
دكتور مبارك السلولي، تخصص أمراض القلب، مركز الملك فهد، المستشفى الجامعي. احنا نوصي في المستشفى الجامعي في المملكة العربية السعودية بأخذ الاحتياطات والاحترازات في ظل هذه الجائحة، جائحة كورونا، ونوصي بلبس الكمامة والحفاظ على التباعد وعدم اللجوء إلى الأماكن المزدحمة وأخذ التطعيمات كما توصي به دولة الرشيدة المتمثلة في وزارة الصحة والقائمين على مكافحة أمراض العدوى، ولكم جزيل الشكر والتقدير.
Hello guys, myself Dr. Sheetal Wagmare. I work in St. Anne's Hospital, Mumbai. First of all, I would like to wish all the doctors a very happy Doctors' Day. As everyone knows that we are going through crisis of pandemic COVID-19. Please, it's a humble request. Don't treat yourself by taking your own medication or following any fake WhatsApp things or believing in false propagandas. Visit your nearby doctor, consult them, take proper medication, and I will like to tell that be safe, take proper precautions, maintain social distancing, wear your mask, sanitize yourself, and be safe and be at home.
Hi everyone, I'm Tamer Al Hassan. I'm from Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. We deal with the COVID here and the regulations. We keep up, wearing our masks on, and we keep destinations between each other. And also we take, the vaccinations that the Ministry of Health, advise us to do. And that's it, follow the instructions, stay home most of the time, stay away from crowded areas. And pretty much this is it. This is what we're doing here for as precautions, of COVID and COVID.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Pariniti Dumale. I'm practicing gynecologist from St. Anne's Hospital, Kashimira, Miraguram. As all you know, everybody knows that this COVID-19 pandemic is going on, and as a gynecologist, my advice for pregnant ladies will be to avoid going out unless there is any necessity, like going for checkup to the doctor or so. Restrain at home. In case if you want to go out, use N95 or 98 mask, and use social distancing, be away from people, and carry your own sanitizer with you whenever you go out. As far as possible, don't go out unless it is necessary. Okay, the next thing is that now government has approved vaccination for all lactating mothers. So after delivery, you can take your vaccination. Pregnant ladies also now, after a few weeks or month, the government is going to approve vaccination for even pregnant ladies. So once it is approved, please take that vaccination. In case if you have symptoms of COVID infection like fever, any other symptom, so you please come and contact your gynecologist and do the test. And don't be afraid, even if it is your first 3 months, even if you get COVID-19 infection, don't worry, your fetus will not have any abnormalities. So don't think of termination of pregnancy. You can continue your pregnancy, okay? And you can take treatment whatever your physician tells you. You take that treatment. Some medicines are not approved during pregnancy, so that your physician will tell, and you take a opinion from your gynae that which all medicines can be taken during pregnancy. If you are COVID-19 positive, if your saturation is normal, your BP is normal, pulse is normal, and so they nowadays they just ask you to be home quarantine for 14 days, then you're okay. Then you can continue with the treatment, and there is no problem with the baby or the mother. But you have to be careful. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Kesri Mangladevi, graduated from Aurukode Vida Medical College, Pondicherry in the year 2020. So I am a young budding doctor working in a government sector. I am very glad and I thank God for this medical life. There are many fields where there are higher authorities, they are helpless at this huge pandemic situation. But I feel proud myself that I have a reason for my life and I am serving my nation at its needed time and I am responsible too. But the most depressing thing is that the people are still not aware of the spread, the severity, the complications, and the death rates of this COVID 19 pneumonia. So, that must be the main reason for this current situation. That is, we are facing the second wave of corona. So, people must understand one thing that many waves it may come. Now we are bold enough to face, but there are many peoples who are losing their job, who has lost their job, lost their loved ones, lost their own life at the cost of this corona positive infection. Some peoples come to OPD. They must be tested positive outside, but they are not willing to say boldly that I am positive. So, follow your preventive measures. The mask will be at the level of chin. Why to wear it? There is no necessity in wearing a mask at the level of chin, and she is positive too. They are not knowing the severity of the disease, the death rates, and the affected individuals, how much they mean to their own families. And one more thing is, I request people that at least they may say the truth that I have been positive, my family members are positive. So please take your preventive measures so that we doctors we may isolate them properly. We may not put them in a general ward like other people's. So the spreading rate may reduce. I hope that you people understand. And also that if their family members are affected, they may say there are 2 members in our family, they are also tested positive. I suspect myself that I would be positive. That is the only thing I expect from people, that they have to say the truth, then only they can we can proceed our own treatment in a better way. And do you guys know about this PPT kit? It may be a challenge. I may challenge you just to put a PPT kit for 6 hours, at least for 4 hours. I challenge you. You cannot do it. As a female doctor, I am saying for that 6 hours, we cannot go to a restroom. We cannot change our napkins during our menses. So it sweats like anything. We cannot breathe. And some doctors, some nurses, they are allergic to that PPT kit. But what for we are doing this? For you people, we are serving you. You must be cured. We have to face this corona. To get only one thing. Maintain a distance of 6 feet or 8 feet. At most you can. Okay. Then wear the mask. The mask is not for the chin or used as a blindfold to play. It has to close your nose and mouth so that the droplets will not enter into your mucosa. So the only one thing is, let's put up the mask and put up our head also up and fight the corona together with the preventive measures. So we fight together and we put a big lock to the third wave. Thank you so much.
Thank you for being dedicated, thoughtful, and compassionate doctors that you are. You always go above, beyond, and work tirelessly towards a healthy outcome. I feel so blessed to know about you all. And once again, happy Doctors Day. So hope you enjoy the video, like and share with your friends. Don't forget to give your valuable comment in the comment box, and please subscribe my channel. It's Learn with Frank. Thank you. Have a nice day.